In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PDF on Instagram by Manychat. By the end, you'll have an automated Instagram DM that delivers your PDF to anyone who comments with your chosen keyword on a post. Start inside Manychat on the Home tab so you're in the right workspace and channel. From the left sidebar, open Automation. This is where you build the logic that watches for comments and triggers your DMs. Next, create a new automation. You'll see options to start from scratch or use a template. To move faster and follow best practices, use the template search and look for the auto DM links from comments option designed for Instagram. Open that template. At the top, you'll see the trigger that says when someone comments on, select the Instagram post or posts you want to monitor. You can pick a single post for a focus campaign or multiple posts if you're running a broader promotion. Below that, set the condition that says, and this comment has. Enter a clear keyword people will type to request the PDF. Keep it short, unique, and easy to remember so it doesn't fire by accident. Avoid super common words and emojis that appear frequently. Now customize the messages that they will get. In the first DM, greet the person and set expectations. A friendly line like, thanks for your comment, here's the guide you asked for works well. Keep it conversational and brand appropriate. In the next message, provide the actual way to access the PDF. The simplest, most reliable method is to share a direct link to the file hosted on your website or a trusted cloud storage link. Add a clear call to action such as tap to download using a button or a clean URL, and consider mentioning the file size so people know what to expect. When everything looks good, click Go Live. After publishing, test it by commenting with your keyword on the selected post from a non-admin account to confirm the flow fires instantly and the link opens smoothly. That's it. Your PDF delivery on Instagram via Manychat is now automated and ready to scale.